If you've ever looked at someone's Home Assistant setup and thought, how on earth did they do that? Well, chances are they're using HACS. It's the key that unlocks a whole new world of custom integrations, themes and dashboards you just can't get from the default setup. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to install HACS step by step so that you can start tapping into everything it has to offer. Hey everyone, my name's Simon and welcome to a new video on Byte of Geek, a channel that's all about Home Assistant and smart home technology. So whether you're new to Home Assistant or you've been using it for a while, you might have come across people talking about HACS. I mention it quite a bit in a lot of my videos and you've possibly wondered what it is. You might already have it installed, in which case I'm already talking to the converted in this video, but if you haven't, then this is exactly the video for you. So first off, a bit of a background about HACS. What exactly is it? Well, HACS stands for Home Assistant Community Store, and it is a special integration in Home Assistant that allows you to install other integrations, themes, templates, and a lot more for thousands of different device manufacturers and websites and things like that. These integrations are written by members of the Home Assistant community in their spare time and are not part of the official Home Assistant installation. Because of this, they're supported directly by the author of the integration, and whilst many integrations are kept up to date, sometimes life gets in the way and things can break, often for months on end, or in some cases they can be completely abandoned. Whilst this does occasionally happen, if an integration is popular enough, then because they are open source, others will often pick them up to keep them maintained. There is, however, no guarantee an integration will continue to work, and therefore you should consider this when installing anything from HACS that you may become dependent upon in your smart home. That being said, you can add significant functionality to the base Home Assistant installation to produce an utterly amazing smart home. So let's get started with installing and setting up HACS in Home Assistant. First off, we need to open a web browser and navigate to the address hacs.xyz. That sounds like some dodgy website, but don't worry, it's absolutely fine. And here you'll see all about HACS, including the various alternate installation methods available depending upon your Home Assistant installation type. Now, what I'm going to run through is setting up HACS for an OS or supervised installation of Home Assistant. This is probably the most popular setup type for Home Assistant and quite possibly the route you have already taken. But like I say, other instructions are on the website if you need those instead. Now, the next step isn't strictly needed, but I like to do it anyway, and that is to enable advanced mode in Home Assistant, which is useful for installing some add-ons. Just click on your profile in the bottom left corner and scroll down and you'll see advanced mode. Just toggle that option on. Okay, back to the HACS website and you'll see in step 1 there is a link to add HACS to your Home Assistant. If you click on that, a new window will appear allowing you to specify the URL of your Home Assistant installation. Now, for most people, the default that is shown here will be absolutely fine, but if yours is different, then you can change that here. I'm changing it because this is my demo system rather than my live smart home system. When you're ready, then just click on save and then the open link button, and you should be redirected back to your Home Assistant with Get HACS displayed on the screen. Now just click install and after a few seconds you'll have the main page of the add-on displayed. Don't worry about changing any of the settings here, just click on start and that should quickly start the Get HACS add-on. Now if you go into the log tab at the top, you should see that the add-on has started, and if all is well then it'll have a line saying to restart Home Assistant before going any further. So we'll just do that now. When that is done, we can go back into settings and add-ons and then Get HACS, and we can uninstall that now as we no longer need it hanging around. Now we just need to set HACS up, so back into settings and then devices and services, and then click on the add integration button in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now you just want to type in HACS and it should be the only item returned. Click on that and you'll now have a warning screen, just basically making sure you fully understand about installing community integrations, literally everything I mentioned earlier in the video. So if you're happy with that, then just tick the 4 boxes and then click submit. You'll now be prompted with an activation screen. Don't worry, this isn't something you need to pay for or anything like that. Basically, you're being asked to authenticate with a GitHub account that belongs to you. So click on the link shown and a new window will appear. If you already have a GitHub account, then just sign into that. If not, then you have the option to create one here. GitHub is used for many things, mainly for storing source code for open source projects. In fact, Home Assistant is stored in GitHub as well. It's completely free to create this account, and you never know, you might come back in the future to share your own configuration or code files here. Once you've signed in, just confirm it's your account and click on continue, whereby you'll be prompted to enter the code from Home Assistant. So switch back to Home Assistant and copy the code shown on the screen, and then switch back to the GitHub webpage and paste that into the boxes shown and click on continue. Just one more confirmation that's allowing you to make this happen. So click on authorize and you should get a congratulations screen. Now switch back to Home Assistant, whereby the activation should automatically continue and you'll be prompted to select an area for HACS. If you have them already set up, then you can specify one of them here, but if not, then just click on skip and finish. And if you do have one set up, then just click on the finish prompt. So that is HACS installed. You should now have an option in the sidebar. What I like to do after doing this is just to do a quick reboot of Home Assistant just in case. So when that's all rebooted and restarted, if you click on the HACS option in the sidebar, then you'll get a screen with a list of downloaded integrations as well as new ones available for download. As you can see, there's an awful lot here to choose from. And if I just select one from the list, so this is Navbar card, and this adds a nice little navigation panel to the bottom of your mobile screen. But if I want to install this, then I can just click on the download button in the bottom right hand corner and follow the instructions displayed. So there you go. That is how you install HACS into Home Assistant in 2025. It really couldn't be any easier and opens a whole new range of possibilities for your smart home setup with Home Assistant. I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe even found it useful. If you like the content that I create, then why not consider becoming a channel member, whereby you'll get access to a range of exclusive perks just for supporting the channel. If you'd like to see more videos like this, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really does help and lets other people get to see this as well. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.